lawyer actually do if ICE shows up at immigration court? This was one of the comments that we received at a video that we did previously about not going to immigration court without a lawyer. I don't know in what spirit the comment was made, but I will respond to this person. What can a lawyer do if ICE shows up to court to detain your client? Number one, your client should not be in court to begin with. As an immigration lawyer, if you have an immigration lawyer, number one thing that they should ask for is permission to appear virtually. A lot of judges are allowing this. You can appear at home, you can appear at your attorney's office, you do not need to be in court. The client that I mentioned in my previous video, I know for a fact that his judge allows virtual hearings, and so he did not need to be in court. He just didn't have a lawyer and he didn't know this. Had he had a lawyer, he would have been allowed to appear from the comfort of his home and not be right now in detention in Louisiana, God knows where, with a case pending in front of a judge with a 90% denial rate. Number two, if the judge doesn't allow that and you have to go to immigration court, if you have an immigration lawyer there, number one, you can run back to court, ask the judge immediately to issue a bond. You can try to find out why the client's being detained, especially if they're in removal proceedings. You could have motions ready to go. If you know that this is a risk of your client being detained, you could have a motion in hand ready to go to file. You can file a federal petition to stop ICE from moving your client halfway around the country where you know that you want to keep him here in the state where he lives, in the state where the attorney is, in the state where it's more favorable for you to litigate this case. And so this is just one of the few things that a lawyer could do. I've said it many times. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to use this video as a follow-up to say, do not go to immigration court alone. Get a lawyer to represent you in your asylum case. It is right now most important, more important than ever was before.